Android latest technology for developers 2020. Android most recent innovation for engineers in 2020. Android stage was presented in 2008, and at present 4.7 million application to people in general across iOS, Android and other operating systems. Here are not many Android application improvement drifts to be specific. 1. Blockchain technology. 2. Machine learning and artificial intelligence, AI. 3. Navigation component. 4. Google Assistant. 5. Kotlin multi-platform. 6. Chatbot. 7. Beacon technology. 8. IoT, Internet of Things. 9. Accelerated mobile pages, IMP. 10. Android Jetpack and Jetpack Compose. Presently, thus we will examine individually in subtleties this most recent technology. 1. Blockchain technology. It has been the in things innovation is developing and height in the business is developing. Blockchain forestalls information penetrating, nor is it conceivable to make a phony report on the record. Regardless of whether somebody commits an error, it very well may be followed back. With a ton of programmers having a field day with copying charge cards, you can expect organizations supporting blockchain-empowered portable installment applications. Webvillee has encountered blockchain-based devoted portable application designers. 2. Machine learning and artificial intelligence, AI, man-made reasoning, AI, and its subset machine learning, ML, alludes to a lot of programming strategies that permit applications to consequently take in and improve for a fact without being customized to do so unequivocally. This methodology proves to be useful for applications that utilization unstructured information, for example, pictures and buttons that anticipate what clients might want to see or purchase straight away. Fortunately, Android underpins a wide scope of ML devices and techniques, so executing this kind of bleeding-edge usefulness is simpler than you may anticipate. 3. Navigation component root alludes to the entirety of the associations that permit moving around various segments and bits of substance inside your application. Android Jetpack accompanies a convenient navigation part that encourages designers to actualize route, regardless of whether it's a basic catch-click or an increasingly mind-boggling design like a route cabinet. 4. Google Assistant. By utilizing app actions, you can profound connect to explicit exercises inside your portable application from the Google Assistant. Another element, Android Slices, permits designers to show the most significant substance from your application to the clients to the assistant. With the well-known remote helper will turn into a key objective among numerous advancement groups. 5. Kotlin multi-platform. By utilizing multi-platform, designers can fabricate parts that share as much code as required with others. They can likewise get to the stage APIs whenever. 6. Chatbots. The vast majority of you know about chatbots on sites, however you will before long observe it coordinated into your versatile applications too. Site guests will cherish it as their inquiries will be replied in record time. It spares your guests from moving toward client assistance as the vast majority of their questions can be comprehended utilizing the chatbot itself. In the event that your business is in web-based shopping, food conveyance, taxi administrations, and so forth, at that point coordinating your application with chatbots can assist you with sparing a ton of time. Apple Siri, Amazon's Alexa, and Google Assistant are a piece of a similar biological system. Beacon technology. These are little remote transmitters that utilization the Bluetooth innovation to impart signs to cell phones that are close by. They can associate and transmit data to brilliant gadgets that are making an enormous gouge in area innovation and nearness promoting. It makes area-based looking through precise and simpler. This can help in out-of-store promoting, which will assist you with adapting footfalls close to your shop. Since it helps assemble information better, you can utilize it to enhance the client venture. A colossal preferred position with beacons is that it is cheap when contrasted with different advances which imply that even private companies can use this once it becomes standard. Committed versatile application engineers can help utilize the reference point innovation for your applications. 8. IoT, Internet of Things, IoT, in Android application improvement, in the Android worlds into Android Things, which permits engineers to assemble gadgets on famous equipment stages like Raspberry Pi. Engineers needn't bother with any information on implanted framework configuration to begin. Rather, they can create applications utilizing the Android SDK and Android Studio. The structure permits simple local access to equipment, for example, cameras in showcases. You can likewise associate your application to Google benefits and incorporate additional peripherals with the Peripheral I/O APIs. 9. Accelerated mobile pages. It is a light form of HTML to speed up portable pages. This innovation gives the fundamental ammo to designers to make substantial site pages and sites with superior, snappy speed, and diminish the ricochet rates. Truth be told, sites that are worked with AMP will likewise be recorded in portable list at Google, indicating a great deal of enthusiasm for AMP-based sites. You can securely wager on it. With a decent AMP score, you can lessen the skip rate, hold more clients, and fundamentally improve the client experience. 10. Android Jetpack and Jetpack Compose. In 2020, Android Jetpack will turn out to be much progressively pertinent to portable improvement ventures since it's continually extended with new apparatuses. This setup of libraries and apparatuses causes Android designers to compose top-notch code quicker, follow best practices, and disentangle complex undertakings. When the application state changes, the UI will be refreshed consequently. Make is perfect with all your current code, so it's conceivable to embrace it without any problem. The year 2020 will be intriguing. There is a great deal riding on innovation, and portable applications will be a major piece of that. Nowadays, and everything will spin around that. There will be a great deal of Android application advancements that we may have missed on. Recall the ROS, only one out of every odd pattern is going to include an incentive for your business. Just utilize ones that will bode well for